Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another unboxing video today. This one is going to be super exciting. As you can see here, it is a Trijicon sight. So my goal for my MR556 is to use it as a medium range rifle since it shoots 5.56. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to be shooting 62 grain, so it's not going to reach out too far either. I think max on a point target is about 600 meters. Point target, if you aren't aware, is a human-sized target, and then an area target, if ever mentioned again, is going to be referring to something like a vehicle or a truck like that. So here, really nice plastic case. You can see here that this is a ACOG 4x32 RCO for an M4. So the RCOs that Trijicon offers, there's actually a few different kinds. The ones I was looking at is the ones that we got issued in the military, just because that's what I'm more familiar with. The main issue when I reached out to them was that I read articles and reports saying that the MR556 has a slightly slower muzzle velocity than what was typically advertised on the ammunition. So the ammunition I like to use is Norma 62 grain 5.56, and that's advertised at 3050 FPS. But some of the reports I was reading on the forums were saying that the muzzle velocity usually comes at around 2900 FPS. So I settled for the M4 RCO, which is rated for, if I recall, 2900 FPS, whereas the M16 with the 20-inch barrel is rated for the about 3100 FPS. But on that, let's get to the product review. So when you unbox it, you're first blessed with this beautiful RCO. You can see in there, it's a little bit fuzzy, but I'll throw up a picture on for you guys later. You have your fiber optic up here. So in the Marines, at least, we used to put tape over this so that your sight picture doesn't get blown out when you're looking down at your target, because the light that the fiber optic here captures controls how bright the RCOs. So see, you cover my hand right there, it's a lot less, and then when I remove my hand, there's more ambient light, so it's a lot brighter. But yeah, we would have a piece of black electrical tape just covering this up, and then we could peel it back ever so slightly to adjust the brightness. You have your kill flash up here, which is super nice. It's put on with this little band. And then you have your, I believe this is windage and windage, and then this is your elevation right here. Dummy quarter, of course. And wow, this is a little bit heavy, but good sight and very nice and compact. And you have your standard twist screws. And if you wanted to switch your mounts like I will in the future, you're going to remove it by loosening these two flathead screws here. So there's your scope. Underneath this nice foam, you're going to have your sock cover. You have your manual, lens pen. So I believe this side is your brush. So this side is your brush right here to wipe away any debris. And then this side should be whatever one of these squishy things is. Remove some fingerprints or something like that. All right, then next you have an awesome sticker. Looks to be, yep, just a catalog of different sites that Trijicon offers, and then product card or warranty card. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see next. Stay safe.